Mafia. It's your girl OVOZ here, back with another video. You already know what it is. Damn, see, I was doing too much. But you already know what it is. Road to a million, you feel me? I had to pause and like fix this bun the best that I can so I could continue the intro. Speaking of intros, I know you see my brand new intro. Like, my intro is fire. It's fire. There's nothing to it. Like, it's so cute. And that's all due to my, my friend Kirsten. Like, she's a really good artist. So she created the animations. You could follow her on Instagram at creations, period, by Kier. I dropped it right here. You already know. And yeah, check her out. She did a really good job with creating the animations. I did the intro myself, but it came out so good and I'm so happy. But anyways, for today's video, as you can see in the title, I'm doing something a little different. And you know, I always say I'm doing something a little different because my videos be different, okay? Like, period. But today, Salma's coming over and I'm about to install her wig. Yes, I am. Glammed by Z. I'm not even all that, but I'm just practicing, I want to try to install her wig. So that's what we're doing whenever she gets over here. Like, come on, what are you doing? Uh-oh. Back again. Back to
None of those. None of your business under here.
Oh, hey, YouTube. So, Salma's here. Salma's here. And we're starting the process. I'm about to pluck and serve some scalp with this wig. Because it needs some help.
I don't know what your name is.
She's like Blondie. Blondes have more fun.
No, not Blondie.
Hey y'all, it's Anaya's aunt. I'm doing a commentary today for this lace front video. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so it looks like she has on a cap. Okay, hey Salma, hey boo. I'm trying to get cute, okay. Oh shoot. Ooh, so close, girl, back up. You can see in the girl pores. Oh my god. Oh gosh, and I back the camera up. Why are you getting the camera? You're not supposed to be in the camera. Okay, so it looks like we got a cap on. We putting something on the top. I don't know. Salma tired, she yawning. So it look like we got makeup up there. So why the hair hanging out in the back? I can't with y'all. Okay, so we're applying more glue and more blow dry. More glue and more blow dry. If I say more glue and more blow dry again. Okay. Salma's nervous. She probably like, this shit better come out good. We not gonna be friends no more. Okay. Got cotton swabs. Okay, more glue. And more blow dry. See, somebody gotta explain to me what's going on here, because I see hair hanging out the cap. I thought the hair is supposed to be inside the cap. Salma, don't be nervous. It's okay, boo. You're gonna look pretty. Don't be nervous, girl. Okay, so I see hair now. And I see blonde highlights. Okay, Beyonce. Hey, Mom. Okay, so Salma was hungry. She got some chips. Okay. Oh, wow. So it looks like the sun's coming down. How long y'all been doing this wig? What the hell? I don't have the patience for this.
This is my face look greasy.
Ooh, child. Yes, it do. Okay, so we got the final results. Yeah. Okay, so where are the baby hairs? Where's the baby hair, squirrel? But it looks nice. Ow. Okay, we don't need to see the back of the hair. I want to see the front. Hey y'all, so my voice was the one you just heard. I'm Zanaya's aunt. She had me commentary on her video. That was her first install, and I think she did that. She did it good. But anyway, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and maybe I'll see y'all on the next video. Later.